Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my August tutorial. Hard to believe that August is here already. It is a tutorial with 6 cards. I will send you the tutorial for free if you place an order with me of any size in the month of August. If your order is over $50, the beginning of September, I will send you a packet of supplies to make the projects that are in the tutorial. So this month's tutorial contains 6 cards. Using a new stamp set out of the holiday mini catalog. So here's a little sneak peek of what's to come. So these are the cards, and I'm going to tell you this is a stamp set called Winterly Treetops, which we got to get a little bit early just because we had a little class on it from Stampin' Up. So Winterly Treetops bundle, and it has dies. And just so you're aware, the card that has designer series paper. So I'm just going to show you quickly the paper that I have left here because I've kind of used a bunch of it. But you will get a 6x6 sample of each of the designs, and that will be enough to complete the projects that we're going to make. And then this one has the back of this one. Sorry, kind of fumbling around here. Also in the kit you will get samples of the linen thread in the navy, copper, and garden green. It's so pretty. And then gems that will come in your kit. You'll get a sample of those too. So let me show you the cards quickly so you can kind of get an idea. I didn't really do anything too Christmassy because this stamp set kind of could be used for almost any occasion. But I love the cards. I love how they turned out. I'm excited to share them with you. And let's see the gems on there that I put. Oh, there's also a folder that I used, a new folder, wood birch folder coming out. So pretty. Anyway, those are my cards. I hope that you enjoy them. If you, like I said, if you place an order with me this month, you will get the tutorial for free. If your order's over $50 in September, you will get a packet of supplies to make those cards. So if you haven't already done so, you may want to sign up for my newsletter because I send lots of information out there about my classes and my YouTube lives and everything that's coming up. And so www.DDStamps is the place to sign up for that. Thank you and have a great day.